Go, Bob reveal. Ang cheap ng vlog na to. Ang cheap ng content ko. Bob reveal. Yun ang tubig ko. Grabe.
Or approach any for having Miss Maria Elena Amparo, Mr. Harry Cordeta, Mr.
Hey guys! So, we're currently in Puerto Princesa Airport na. We've arrived after an hour. And so, we're just waiting for bags. So, after this, ikita lang namin yung driver na na-hire namin doon sa tour na binook namin. So, yun lang muna for now. Got our bags and we're off to our van kineme. Pinili namin yung private exclusive para wala kaming kahati and para makatulog pa kami. Yun lang.
We have now checked in at Friends Hostel. We got the room for only around 800 pesos to 900 pesos per night for a mixed bedroom dormitory. It is good for 6 people and we're exactly 6, so it's just right for us. And then after this we had our lunch at the ground floor at their cafe. We had pasta and burger. The food was great but a little expensive.
So today, nag-iikot-ikot lang kami ng mga tingting na restaurants. Ang mamahal dito. Like, ito.
Gusto ko to. Ito naman yung banana. Banana sheet is 140.
So this is the full area of the Friends Hostel. So this is the view. So ito yung bar area. And then this is the gaming
Nahihirapan ako kapag ng pants.
Kaya ko yung friends ko, Bob reveal. Ang cheap ng vlog na to. Ang cheap ng content ko. Bob reveal. Keep up guys. This is saan sila nagbabayad and etc.
Okay, so let's see, we're going to visit 5 island or 5 destinations. So every destination we will give you 30 to 45 minutes to stay, except lunch. So in lunch we
So start na ng tour namin and mukhang ito yung first namin. Yan. Though hindi pa nasabi anong island. We'll know later. Then ito yung group namin for the tour. Joiner tour pala to. Walang hostisya sa pool. Sobrang ganda. Okay, so magla-lunch na kami. This is the tour with my friends. Ito pa yung couple. So we're going to the lunch spot island and ito yung
po yung parang kanuping kasi ang tawag sa amin yun. Kanuping po ang tawag sa amin.
Ano itong kulay? Dito kami sa Matinloc Shrine. And may entrance na 100. Tan! Hi! Ang daming bunga hangin mo. Akin din. Ganda!
Ingat, bro.
Bababa na kami ng Matinloc Shrine. Yan yung view. Ay, hindi pala yan yung view. Ito yung ano. Bababa.
Girl, Felix yung giyang.
Vlogger with extreme.
Girl, magandang content.
Buwis buhay. Medyo buwis buhay. Kung ano, hindi naman. Kere. This is the big lagoon. Susuko na yung arms niya. Ang linaw ng tubig, oh. Grabe. Yes, we are here at the big lagoon. The entrance for this area is 200 pesos and we get to kayak around this place for just 300 pesos per kayak. After this, we had our lunch on this spot where there was no one around. So we have the island to our place and then suddenly another boat came also. Lunch time! Kami magla-lunch. Ikot. This passage is the entrance to the secret lagoon, and our tour guide has informed us that the water may not be clear because it was late when we got there and there were a lot of people. During non-peak days, the water will be clear, as they say. This is me capping our day 3 here in El Nido, and tomorrow we will be going back to Puerto Princesa. Breakfast at Sinmay. Ay, hanap! Mupo dito, maputi. So, we're here in Nakpan Beach. On the way to what's the name? Angkla Beach Resort. For photo shoot lang. Purposes this the glamping Nakpan vlog. What's in Nakpan? Fine sand. Like Bora. So this is a quick accommodation tour of Flora Villa Rosa at Puerto Princesa. So I'll be posting a separate video for this place since there was very limited references on YouTube.
Ano na lang, Art? Mag-ano ka ba?
Zipline. Zipline here in Sabang. Bago mag-tour ng underground river tour. Zipline! So, mag-zipline kami dito sa Sabang with this respect.
A few moments later.
Ito na yung zipline area. After, I don't know how many minutes. We're here. By the way, it's 550 pesos per person in the zipline. And 2 people can ride. Yun lang.
Ano, ikaw mauna?
Zipline.
A-picture mo.
Ready na?
Una si Art.
Oh shit.
Ready.
Bye guys!
See ya.
Love ya! Woo! 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 Eh! Thank you po.
Ba talaga pag malusog ma, mabilis.
Salamat. Ay, tapos na kami mag-zipline. Ayan, zipline yung end. Ayan. Kasama sa tour. Buffet. Ha?
Fast forward, this is our buffet lunch before our underground river tour.
Nakain ko yung fried food. Nakain yung fried food. Punta na kami sa underground river tour.
O, kaninong kailangan ko meron kasi in case na mapatakan. May picture tayo doon.
Ay, girl. May ano sila, audio tour. Entrance.
Meron po wala. Huwag niyo na po pinutin yung kulay green.
So the tour ended, as far as I remembered, for around 30 minutes to 1 hour. And then, ayun, maganda siya because merong audio device na binigay na papakinggan mo so hindi boring sa loob. But in general, if wala yan, it's kind of boring because sobrang dilim, walang ilaw, and then flashlights lang ng tour guide yung nagiging guide.
We're here in the restaurant.
So I'm ending the vlog here because I don't have any outro. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and like if you like this video. That's it. Bye!